여러분 안녕하세요. Today we are going to talk about this structure N1, 은 or는 N2, 이 or가 아니에요. So page 11 of your textbook. Last time we talked about this structure N1, 은는 N2이에요. which is N1 is N2 그랬죠? So this is copula sentence. And what we are going to talk about today is the negative counterpart of this structure. So this structure means N1 is not N2 그렇죠? 자, unlike the positive copula sentence, N2 should take a particle 이 or 가 그랬죠. So in case of the positive sentence, we just attached 이에요 after the second noun. But for this negative copula sentence, we need another particle 이 or 가. 그렇죠. 그럼 이제 what's the rule? When N2 ends in a consonant, E should be used, and when it ends in a vowel, 가 should be used. 여기를 보시면은요, if you take a look at this part, 저는 3학년이 아니에요. 그랬죠? So, N1 is 저, 그렇죠? I. 3학년 is N2 here, and the last syllable has consonant here. 그렇죠? In this case, we need E. And 아니에요. 아니에요 is the negative form of 이에요. 그렇죠? 저는 3학년이 아니에요. So unlike the positive copula sentence, we don't just attach 아니에요 to the second noun. We need this particle 이 or 가, and there should be a space, and then we should put 아니에요 after that. 민지는 미국 사람이 아니에요. So in this case, N1 is 민지, so 민지. N2 is 미국 사람, 그렇죠? American person, 이 아니에요. So 민지 is not an American, 그렇죠? 그 다음에 한국어 선생님은 남자가 아니에요. There's no consonant at this position. 남자 ends in this vowel. So in this case, we need 가. 한국어 선생님, Korean teacher is N1 here, and 남자 is N2 here. So Korean teacher is not a man. 그렇죠? Can we change these sentences into positive copula sentence? 자, let's try. Let's say I'm a junior. How do you say that? 그러면 저는 3학년 After the second noun, you just put 이에요. 그래서 저는 3학년이에요. And that means I'm a junior. And how should we say 민지 is American? 민지는 미국 사람이에요. 그렇죠? So after this N2, you just attach 이에요. Korean teacher is a man. So how do you say that? 한국어 선생님은 남자예요. 그렇죠? In case of a noun that ends in a vowel, we use the shortened form 예요 instead of 이에요. 그렇죠? 자, 그러면은 can we make these into negative sentences? So like 저는 Lisa Green, I am Lisa Green. But how should we say I am not Lisa Green? 그렇죠? 저는 Lisa Green. And after this second noun, we need a particle between 이 or 가. 그럼 which one do we need? 저는 Lisa Green이 아니에요. That means I'm not Lisa Green. 그렇죠? Lisa is not a freshman. How should we say that? 리사는 1학년이 아니에요. So why do we need 이? Because there is a consonant here. 그렇죠? So 1학년이 아니에요. 민지 is not Korean. How should we say that? 민지는 한국 사람이 아니에요. 그렇죠? 예. Okay. So can you make a positive copula sentence into negative copula sentence? And can you do the opposite thing like negative copula sentence into positive copula sentence? Let's practice this more in class. 여러분 감사합니다.